Come on, let me catch a big one in the ring. Whoa! Tree down! There's a fish. Cool. I've never caught a fish this far downstream. It's a nice one too. Oh my gosh, this is a giant. Holy crap, that is big for a stream brookie. Oh, ho, ho. Oh yeah, back to back. Now that is a creek brook trout right there. Whew. So I'm at a little creek here. Can do some brook trout fishing. Haven't done that for a couple of years, but thought I'd give it a try. Skies are turning a little dark. We're supposed to have some rain coming, and I've had some good luck catching brook trout right before a big storm. So hopefully I have a couple hours here to catch some fish, and we'll see. Stay tuned. There's a fish. I don't think it's a brook trout. Giant chub. That's not necessarily a good thing in a brook trout hole. They usually compete. That is a cool chub right there. Big. Creek chub. It's kind of got some purple coloring on it too, a little purple glare. It's crazy. This river's changed so much since the last time I fished it a couple of years ago. Water, what it can do. There's a bite. Doesn't feel very big. Just reel into it. Another baby brook trout. Tiny thing. Let's be real fragile with this guy. He's not hooked bad at all. Gorgeous little fish. Look at the colors. Awesome. Go get big. All right. Boy, did I have to walk through some stuff to get to this hole. But I think this is where I will catch some fish. There's a fish. Oh God. Nice fish. That was a nice brook trout. I watched it eat. Oh! Got off. No. There it is. Got him. This one's not as big. Not as big as the last one. But we'll take it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I want that 12-incher back. I want that 12-incher back. Maybe he'll come back. Or maybe there's a 16. There's another bite. Got him. Oh, that feels good. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, that feels good. Oh yeah, back to back. Now that is a creek brook trout right there. Ooh. Look at that fish. Oh, oh, gone. Gone. This is the hole I've been looking for. I had to go through all that though. Oh, I was too busy looking at those bones. Sure, I popped a hole in the waders. Sure I did. I was too busy looking over here. There's a fish. Cool. I've never caught a fish this far downstream. It's a nice one too. I had to walk for this brookie. Oh, that's a beauty for a creek. Beauty. Oh. Bye-bye, buddy. Brook trout fishing like this just brings me right back to when I was a kid. It's like the kind of fishing that all got us started probably. Small little fish like this, and you know, just reminds me why I love this and love doing what I do out here and spending time outdoors. So let's catch a couple more big ones. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! I'm cold. I'm very cold. There's a fish on. Oh my gosh, this is a giant. Holy crap, that is big for a stream brookie. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. That is a stud, dude. Oh my god. One quick look for the camera. Oh. I love it. Caught. Oh, yep. Oh, this hole is loaded. And I won't even get across there. I think there's more over there. But 10 seconds I'll have a bite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. How fun is this? The most gorgeous fish there is too. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. Let me get you unhooked. Show the camera. Whee! 9, 8, 7. That's a decent little guy. That's a decent fish. Ooh, the bright orange on this guy if he stays hooked. Have to check this out. I feel like this is the brightest one yet today. Feel like this is the brightest one yet. Oh yeah, look at that cool belly on that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Mwah. Nice one. In the rain. In the rain. How many hundreds of brook trout are down there? Come on, let me catch a big one in the rain. Whoa, tree down! That's awesome. Now catch a brook trout on top of it. Yep, and catch a brook trout on top of it. Caught all those brook trout and only one single creek chub, and that is awesome. Because brook trout and creek chubs obviously compete for the same food. So that was another good thing about today. Usually I'm catching 3-4 times as many creek chubs as brook trout on this little stretch here, but obviously the brook trout are healthy. What kind of skull? Anyone have any ideas? I don't know. That's what the teeth looks like. Someone let me know down in the comments what kind of skull that is. Out of all the fish I hooked today, this was the only one that I hooked bad and got hooked. I don't even know the total. Maybe I'll throw it up on the screen or something, how many fish. But if you don't set the hook super hard and you don't let them eat, just reel into the fish, yeah, you're gonna miss some fish because you're not letting them eat the worm or whatever you're using, but a lot less fish you'll lose. But this one nice little fish will be a good little breakfast, even though it's kind of small.